Is your toilet running non-stop? That can waste hundreds of gallons of water a day and cost you hundreds of dollars a year. Hi, I'm Mitch, the answer guy from Cavalier Plumbing. Let me show you how to fix this in about a minute. If your toilet keeps running or refilling, water is leaking from the tank into the bowl. Most of the time, it's this little rubber flapper. Over time, it wears out or doesn't seal properly, so water keeps slipping through. But here's something a lot of people miss: the chain connected to the handle. If that chain is too tight, too loose, or twisted, the flapper can't drop down and seal the way it should. Take the lid off the tank and look at the flapper at the bottom. Make sure it sits flat over the hole. Now check the chain. It should have just a little slack, not tight, not tangled. If it's pulling up on the flapper even slightly, that can keep the water running. Do a quick test. Press down on the flapper with your finger. If the running stops, you've found the problem. If the flapper looks worn, replace it. If the chain is the issue, just adjust the length so it allows the flapper to fully close. If you'd rather not deal with it, or it's still running after that, call us at Cavalier Plumbing at 801-277-7411 and we'll get it fixed fast.